Hey Planner fam, welcome back to Best Laid Plans, and today I just have a fun and quick St. Patrick's Day week spread. This is also the spring break week for my university where I work. I do continue to work over spring break because I'm staff, so I will definitely have things to do, so I'm going to be leaving lots of room for me to put some writing and things. I wanted to try something fun and new for St. Patrick's Day week, and I thought it would be really cool to do distress ink in different colors of like the rainbow for all across the spread. So I have my Tim Holtz distress inks here. I have like green, purple, pink, orange, and blue. And then I have all of my brushes and that kind of thing in here. So that's all ready to go. And I'm probably going to go ahead and start by inking first, but I did want to show you the other things that I've pulled. So I have this die cut sticker from the Planner's World. This is her little St. Patrick's Day girl with the unicorn, and I love this so much. I love this so much that I've actually purchased it and used it in my planner before, and I just purchased it again. So I'm definitely gonna have her here, probably maybe over by the start of the week. And then I also have this set of green foil washi from the Simply Gilded recent sale they had for St. Patrick's, and I really like it because it's got like kind of like a hollow effect. I have those. And then also from the Planner's World, I have this journal kit, and I'm not going to be using all of this in my spread because I'm going to be saving some of these elements for my mini planner because I want to use this in a mini spread. This is her character Scarlet. She's the redhead, and I really liked some of like these patterns here, and I also liked this right here for St. Patrick's Day. So I'm going to use some of this kit for this. And then I also have this character Raven, and she's really special to me because Sue, who is the owner of the Planner's World shop, actually had like a little like contest thing on her social for naming this character, and I suggested Raven and I won. So this is a character I helped name, and she is so cute, and she's reading her books and she's got her coffee, so we would probably be very good friends, this character and I. And so I have her to add for a couple places during the week as well because she's so cute. So that is everything that I have. I am going to start by using distress ink, and I think what I'm going to do is just go through and kind of copy the colors of the rainbow as they are in her little illustrations. So blue, like green, and then I'll do like maybe purple, blue, green, red, and orange and pink. I don't have like a bright yellow, so I think that's what I'm going to do. So we're going to go ahead and I'm going to get started on the inking first. So now we have the page inked. We have our really beautiful like rainbow effect, which I really like, and it didn't bleed through at all on the paper, so that's good. So now I am going to just go through and add some washi detail. I think I want to have this washi here coming down on the sides here, kind of separating out sections, and then maybe have this closer toward the bottom. Okay, so I did end up doing something just a little bit different than I had planned for the washi because I like this quote that says, "Never let your mind tell your heart not to wander." So I've broken this kind of this way with the largest part being down here, and then I have this broken down kind of the opposite way, but I still have this part being a little bit smaller. So now I want to add some of these corner stickers. So I'm going to start with this large set here, and I want to put that over here. And then I like this plaid strip here, and I want to put that over in this corner. Super cute. Then I am going to go ahead and add my little character here. Yay, she looks so cute with the rainbow. Now I'm going to take some of these little shamrock icon stickers. And I'm going to take this little icon of Scarlet sitting on her pot of gold, and I'm going to add that. Uh-oh, I ripped her. Okay, she's okay. I need to be more gentle. And I'm going to add that down here. Super cute. So that is essentially like most of the decoration for the spread. I really wanted to use my inks and get that kind of pretty effect. But now that I've done that, I am going to go back into my remnants and try and use some of those. So basically whenever I don't finish a kit all the way, I save the pieces so that I can use it in a future kit, just so I'm using all of it and not just the parts of it that I need at the time. So I am gonna look for some greens and that kind of thing to help me out here. And let's see. And then the last sticker that I want to add over here is just for my reading night, and that's usually like Friday, Saturday night. So I'm going to put that here and add one of my cute little ravens with her book and her coffee. So this is really the finished spread before the pen, and all of these stickers here, all of my functional boxes, all of these different little rainbow ones that I had, even the payday sticker in a laundry basket, all of that was just left over from kits from Danny. This is all from Danny Faith and Designs. Then I have these from Sammy Lynn Plans. So just basically using up the rest of these kits, and I think that I was able to add plenty of functional spots. I like to track when mail is going to arrive during the week if I'm expecting like certain packages, so that's what that is. And then I track when I enter students into new student advising for work, and I also track my exercise during the week, so that's that. And then during the week itself, I have this to buy sticker here because that is the day when the Happy Planner Spring Collection goes live. I'm really excited about that. And then I'd like to go get a St. Patrick's Day sticker, just the name of the holiday, and put that there. And then I think that we're in a pretty good place, to be totally honest. I'm not sure exactly what I'm doing during the week because it's always weird spring break week because staff work, but then faculty and students are out. So I may end up scheduling a meeting with someone. I may be doing some schedule building things. I may be doing, you know, a bunch of different tasks. But the staples of the week are still there. I do my cleaning on Wednesday night and the trash goes out Thursday. I need to do a grocery order, just a pickup order from Kroger probably. So I have that there. I have my payday, and then I have my different things on the weekend like meal prep. So I think everything is pretty balanced out. I like how colorful and fun this is. I think this is a really cute spread. And I like doing different things, and using a distress ink in a spread is something I wanted to do for a while, and I think it really made this look super cute. So I will get the little St. Patrick's Day sticker, and then we'll take a look at the finished spread. So I just went into my All in a Season Happy Planner book, and I got this gold St. Patrick's Day to put there. It looks really cute. And I also remembered to do the daylight savings times begins right here because tomorrow's, I'm filming this on Saturday, but Sunday will be when daylight saving times begin, and I will no longer have my wonderful fallback, my extra hour in the morning. I will miss it so much. You have no idea. Ugh, I'm not a spring forward person, but that'll at least keep me on track in my planner. So this is where I'm going to end today. I'm not going to do an after the pen with this because I only have like maybe 3 or 4 things I know for sure, which is like the Happy Planner sale, and then like what I'm tracking here. So I probably am going to take a picture of this and just have that on my Instagram, which is Valkyrie Plans. But I am really happy with how much room I have to write in things because spring break is kind of a wild card for me. Please like this video, comment below, and let me know if you have used distress ink in spreads or if you have ever thought about using it, and maybe you'll try it now. And I will see you all in a video next Wednesday. Subscribe, and I hope you have a fantastic St. Paddy's Day week. Bye!